I think we started this chapter, yes or no?
Yes.
Chef, why your camera is off, beta? Why I have to tell you again and again? At least the students to whom I expect to follow the instruction, beta. They should follow the instruction. Okay. As you can see, kinds of sentences. We're going to revise this kinds of sentences again here on the board. So you will enjoy a lot. Now, okay. Now we have studied how many kinds of sentences yesterday? How many kinds of sentences have we studied in the previous lecture? Boys, Shafiq.
Yes, sir, I am here.
How many kinds of sentences have we studied in the previous lecture?
4. 4.
And who will name all the 4?
Sir, next lecture was I was not there. Next lecture.
Chef, which 4 types were there?
Which lecture?
In the previous lecture, have we not started?
Sir, in period before this day I am absent.
Arman. Hassan, where is Hassan?
Yes, sir, Arman.
Hassan is
Yes,
not there
sir,
in this
Arman.
lecture?
Sir, can I, Arman?
Yes, Arman, you can.
Declarative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Imperative sentence. An exclamatory sentence.
Sir, we have to write.
No. Okay. You have to just understand. For that, you need to just fold your hands. Mohammad Reza, your camera is not clear. I mean, keep it properly so I can see your face and book both the things. Okay. So, we have studied these 4 types of sentences in the previous lecture. Right? Now, let us just revise these 4 types. Okay. What was declarative sentence? Declare means what? In English, there is a word declare. So, declare means what? There is a word declare in English. Do you know that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, what is the meaning of declare? To declare something means what? Shafiq, if you are not paying attention here, I will not ask you any question. Yes, Arman, to declare means what? Mohammad Reza,
Yes.
to declare something means what? When you declare means what you do?
Order.
Sir, can
No,
I say Priyani Shafiq?
order means command. Yes, Shafiq.
Explain, sir.
Declare means explain. No,
No.
explain
Sir,
means to elaborate.
sir,
Yes, Ahad.
sir,
Sir,
all of you say means
yes, sir.
declarative. I say to
Ahad.
all of you. Offer an
Yeah, Shafiq.
explanation. Yes,
Wait. Shafiq, what you are saying,
Sir, can
what
I
you
have
are
truly have?
saying,
I say all of you.
beta, I am talking with Shafiq, one by one. Shafiq, please repeat your answer.
I say all of you.
That is called declaring. Are you sure?
Yes.
Give me one example, Shafiq.
Sir, because Rohan sir is good.
Makhan nahi. Give me one proper example.
Sir, chef is bad. Then Shafiq
Can I
is
Herman
good.
Gori?
He
That
was
is wrong. He
declared.
is good.
Okay.
Can I Herman Gori?
Shafiq is bad.
Sir,
Then
can
chef
I have
is
truly
good.
have?
Chef is very good.
अरे शफीक
Then
जब जवाब दे रहे हैं तो बीच में क्यों बोल रहे हो? Okay, Shafiq, whatever you said is right. So declarative sentence, boys, you have to remember two things. What have I written?
declare facts.
I have written two things. See,
Declarative declares fact.
fact, exactly. Either it declares something or any fact is included. When you say earth is round, that is declarative. Chef is white, that is declarative. Rohan is black, that is declarative. Mohammad Reza is smiling, that's declarative. Okay, so these all sentences which gives you the fact, that's declarative. Am I making sense? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Great. So these two things you have to remember in declarative. Now coming on, people get confused most in imperative sentences. First, I will give you the chance to speak if you want to speak something imperative. Come on. What is an imperative sentence? No one, I can expect Arman to answer. Arman. Gauri Arman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Herman
I
Gori.
already asked the question, beta. Imperative. Imperative means what, beta? No idea?
No, sir.
No problem. Sir,
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
can you see my camera?
Yes. Sir, I have read.
What is
Explain
imperative?
imperative.
Like whatever you remember. Okay, you were not there in the previous lecture.
Yes.
Okay, so just remember three things about imperative sentence. Sir, can you please read? You can zoom in the camera if you want.
Yes.
Command.
Yes, sir. Please read it loudly.
Command instruction.
Command, request, and instruction. Exactly. So these are the three things you have to remember about which type?
Imperative.
Boys. Girls are better than you boys. Which
Imperative.
type? Yes.
Imperative.
Which are the three things?
Command, request,
Command, request, inscription.
Instruction, beta. Instruction means what? When we tell
You
you,
speak,
walk in
we
a line.
explain.
Explain.
When I tell you, walk in a line, or when I ask you that please complete your fair book with good handwriting. These are the instructions I am giving you related something.
Yes, you said hands back.
Those are the instructions I am giving you that how to walk in the school, right? Instructions are given on certain things. How to sit in the class, how to walk in the school, and etc. etc. Imperative
You
clear?
you you write in Harvard's rough book.
Yes, exactly. There you are. Okay, now, Shafiq, this you have to say. Interrogative. Come on, this is easy. Otherwise, I will not talk to you. Shafiq, you have only 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kita. Sir.
Sir, interrogative means sentence.
Wow. I should not say it was smart. I should say it was very dumb answer. These are the
Exclamatory
kinds of
sentence.
sentences. Shafiq, mute your mic. Don't beat around the bushes, please. Arman,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes is not the answer for my question. These are the tricks I am giving you to easily remember all the 4 kinds. And you people are least bothered. Shall I stop explaining you? Please participate properly or I shall stop. Yes, Steph, will you be able to make out what is interrogative?
Yes, sir. I have not explained that. I am not.
Like
I not
this
explained.
is,
That's why I not.
Steph, this is what you are studying since your 3rd standard, beta. Interrogative. Come on, try to recall whatever you have learnt. I will put one thing here and you will come to know. What is it?
Question mark.
Question. Yes,
The
yes, sir.
interrogative sentence means what?
Question mark.
Clear
Question.
enough? Which includes
Yes or no?
What book was which okay, sir.
right? Easy?
Yes.
Arman, Mohammad Reza, everyone.
Yes, yes,
Easy?
sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Easy.
Okay. And the last one is exclamatory. So, exclamatory. Now, this is difficult. Students, please fold your hands everyone. I want your attention for 1.5 minutes. Everyone stop doing whatever you are doing. Shafiq, Saif, Mohammad Reza, Arman, whoever is there. Everyone please fold your hands and please listen to me. Otherwise you will miss out the important thing. Shafiq, थोड़ी देर के लिए ध्यान यहाँ पे बेटा. I request you, fold your hands. Otherwise I will really stop talking with you. Then don't tell me that sir is not answering. Listen to me very carefully. Exclamatory sentences, you don't have to just recognize by exclamatory mark. It is a big variety. Let me explain you how. Exclamatory mark is there, okay. But how will you recognize? Only with exclamatory mark? Okay, when there is exclamatory mark, you will say, okay, this is exclamatory sentence. But if I ask you to convert one sentence into exclamatory sentence, then so try to understand. Now when I am speaking with you face to face, I can become sad, I can become happy, I can cry, I can laugh, everything I can show with my
Face.
exactly.
Yes.
Everything I can show with my face. So every expression which we show with our face, in written form, it is shown using,
Exclamatory mark.
right? For an example, if you are sad, you will say, alas, I lost the match. If you are happy, you say, hooray, we won the match. Right? Again, if you like something, wow, what a beautiful pen. Right? So all the expressions, all the feelings, we explain using exclamatory types of sentence. Any doubt?
No, sir. Wow, sir, wow. Beautiful chocolate. Yes?
Where is chocolate? Where is the chocolate? Eating alone, Kitta.
No, sir. Not chocolate.
Okay, boys.
My house.
Now with your beautiful pencil, now with your wow pencil, you have to draw this. Come on. I'll give you 5 minutes.
Okay, sir.
I know Seth was doing it simultaneously.
What, sir?
Sir, pencil is draw.
With pencil. That is compulsory.
Okay, sir.
Because the best chart I will send it in the group. Pura lesson, students, full lesson is covered here. Let me know once you finish your drawing.
सर पेंसिल ड्रॉ करनी है.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Sir, only
Okay,
pencil.
sir. Only with pencil. And a
What
good
we have to
student will
draw?
understand that whenever there is chart or drawing, it should be done with pencil only.
Sir, what we have to do?
What do we have to do? You have to draw this, whatever I have drawn on the board.
What? We have to write.
Everything.
Yes, sir, I have written.
So nice of you. You have done with pen,
Yes.
but you have to do it with pencil. That was a clear
Sir, done.
instruction.
Sir, done. Priya and Shafiq pencil. Sir, we draw pencil.
Beta, how many times should I repeat?
Oh, sir. Wow. You so much handsome.
Actually, I was not able to see your faces. It is a far number, so I had to wear. Come on, please. You can draw vertically, horizontally, as you like, but please make sure this should be covered properly. Who was that?
Yes, sir. My mic was on, that sir.
Hmm. Luckily or unluckily. So boys, should we continue with these board type lectures or share the screen?
Board like lecture. Board like lecture.
Lecture board like lecture.
lecture. 2 मिनट में बाकी है थोड़ा.
So I did not erase it and don't speak in Hindi.
Sir, done Priyan and Shafiq.
With good handwriting, huh, Shafiq?
Sir, pencil is draw.
You have written all these?
Alright.
Write it properly, whatever is written, everything.
Sir, pencil.
Yes, you can speak.
I speak Hindi. One question.
Yes, yes.
सर पेंसिल के ऊपर लिखने का है ना.
What?
नीचे पेंसिल ड्रॉ करने की है, ऊपर लिखने का है.
You have to draw whatever is drawn here.
तो आपने तो यू से पेंसिल ड्रॉ.
Yes, sir.
तुम्हारा
You
ध्यान यहाँ पे
said.
नहीं था. I said draw with pencil, not draw pencil. Pencil use करके you have to draw this.
ओके.
Over smart.
Sir, I am.
Both are over smart. No,
Draw
I
the
know very well.
pencil.
Both are over smart. Don't teach me. No.
Yes, sir.
Draw this. Come on, fast.
Sir, I have written.
हेलो सर, लास्ट वाला ही बाकी है.
Beta, no Hindi. Otherwise, I will not talk to you. Chef, you have drawn this, but it is with pen. I want it with pencil.
Yes, sir. I send you with a pencil.
Okay. But send it to me soon because I will see that whose work is good and I have to forward it into the group. Ahad, your brother is willing to watch the lecture? I don't know. I haven't seen Chef's brother since when.
सर आपके न्यू नंबर में
Ref-
भेजना.
Send wherever you want.
Sir, he goes
sir.
my father's shop.
Oh, okay. He has gone to the father to the shop. You will spoil my English one day.
आखिरी जब मैं तू देखा सो.
4 minutes left.
सर अरमान गोरी डन.
Sir Arman Gori. No, sir is Rohan sir. Sorry.
नो सर.
Okay,
Arman
now I
Gori done.
think I should erase this.
नो सर, नो 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 यार. यस सर.
Yes, sir. Yes. Don't give the expression.
With.
I'm standing right here and I'm looking at you. Arman, where were you? Eid ka chand?
इन मीट.
Yeah, hairstyle is okay. Hairstyle is okay. Don't be worry about it.
It's my new hairstyle.
I'm thinking about visiting to salon, but I don't have the time. You know, all the beard and all this is increased because of the work. Today, perhaps I'll take the appointment. Chef,
Yes, sir.
how about all these details? Have you written it?
Yes.
Okay. अरे અહીંથી વયા જાઓ ને ઓથી વયા જાઓ વાંધો નહીં.
ગાંધી
No, I'm not talking to you. Keep your mic on mute and please draw this.
sudden biryani is fake.
Sir, you
Boys, you have 2
both
minutes.
and that.
Steph, just read all the types and the details, please. Once.
Yes, sir. Declarative,
Yeah,
kind of
sir.
sentences.
Touch screen, sir. આ એનો કોડ છે ટચ બાજુમાં ચાલુ છે.
Kind of sentences. Declarative, declares fact. Imperative, command, request, instruction.
These two are the different points.
Interrogative.
These two are the different points. Hold on. Declare and it states the fact. These are two different points. Don't mix it up.
Kind of sentence. Declarative, declares fact. Imperative, command, request, instruction. Interrogative, question, what, who, whom, whose, what, which, how, etc. Exclamatory, feelings.
An exclamatory mark. Okay, students. So with this, I end my lecture here. Hope
Bye,
you enjoyed
sir.
today.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
સર બાકી મેં હું બાકી રહી ગયો તો સર એટલે હું કહી દઉં બાય બાય. એ નવું કોણ આવ્યું?
Bye.
હલો સાહેબ. હલો.
આગળ બોક્સો.
હા.